Well, hello people. Welcome to Chaing Mai Airport here in northern Thailand. And I'm flying back to Bangkok, and then I'm going to a place called Hua Hin, or not pronouncing that properly. It's three letters in each word. H-U-A-H-I-N, okay? So it's kind of a seaside resort place, and I'll be there for 7 days. And it's where an awful lot of Western expats go to retire, right? So yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do down there, but definitely going to chill out. So I'm going to look for something to eat here now in Chaing Mai, and I'll see us all on the plane as I go for my 5th takeoff, okay? So stay tuned, my friends, stay tuned. So excited, so excited. Right people, welcome to takeoff number 5, heading back to Bangkok. So I forgot the big window seat here, but it doesn't matter. So this flight back is only 1 hour and 5 minutes to Bangkok, and then hopefully there's someone waiting there. I don't know whether it's going to be a minibus, taxi or a train, I have no idea. We'll see you all, my friends, stay tuned. Well people, that was another excellent flight with Bangkok Airways. So if you come to Thailand and you want to go from Bangkok up to Chaing Mai or anywhere else, I recommend Bangkok Airways. Now there is Thai Smile as well, Thailand, you know, so yeah, but definitely recommend Bangkok Airlines. Excellent airline. I'll give it 10 out of 10. Like, that was just a flight of 1 hour and 5 minutes, and you got tea and a bottle of water and what was it, a chicken pasta dinner. Excellent, you know what I mean? Really was. So check it out, my friends, Bangkok Airways. Like, I'm not joking, like Ryanair, Aer Lingus, British Airways and some European Airways cannot compete with that airline there. And I think Bangkok Airways are like Ryanair, you know, a low cost airline. So I don't know how they're able to do it, how they're able to give you food, but they obviously are, and are very, very efficient at going through that whole plane. You know, that was an Airbus A320. Look at this automatic thing, look. Cleaner thing, look. Mad stuff, my friends, yeah. So I don't know how they're able to do it, but they are. And as I said to you, the Airbus A320 holds about 186 people, and they were able to, okay, it's just a one sane meal. It was chicken and pasta, right? So just a matter of handing out all the trays, right? But still, very, very efficient airline. So this is back now at Bangkok. I can't pronounce the name of this airport, but it's a fantastic airport, fantastic, real modern. Okay, I'll talk to you when I get to my transportation now up to Hua Hin, okay? I don't know what it's going to be, whether it's a taxi or a train, I'll see. Okay. Right people, just leaving the Bangkok airport that I can't pronounce, and it's a 3-hour taxi journey to Hua Hin, H-U-A-H-I-N, seaside resort. So I can see us all there, my friends, okay? Try and get a nap here in a taxi, okay? See you soon. Stay tuned, my friends, stay tuned. Another SkyTrain rail link from the city of Bangkok out to the airport, suspended above the ground up stilts, concrete piers, you know what I mean? Fantastic, isn't it? All the way from the middle of Bangkok. It links up with one of the, I don't know, I think it links up then with one of the underground as well, if you know what I mean. So you can just go straight from that international airport of Bangkok of the SkyTrain the whole way into the city. Amazing. They're way ahead of us, but then again they've got 67 million of a population, so more money to go around and build all these infrastructures, if you know what I mean. So there you go. A little bit more information for yourself, my friends. Right people, I'm about an hour and a half southwest of Bangkok, right? And taxi driver just told me that I can take a 15-minute break here. So I think I'll go in here and get something in here. Yeah, this is great. Great buzz, my friends. Oh. Hi. Do you do tea? No. Hot, no. Do you hot coffee? No.
Coffee and Americano, hot Americano, hot cappuccino and hot latte.
Latte. Okay. See the small fries? The small fries and the small hash browns.
King Junior.
Yeah.
So, you want
just so to see that one there, just that there.
Okay.
Yeah.
French fry one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, the girl there, she done very well trying to speak English to me, trying to explain. I want to get a latte here. Told her a hot latte, so I hope it's okay. And some other crap. So your man says 15 minutes here. Let me just see what it is here now. It's almost 6:20, okay? In the even time, it's dark. So it's dark. Yeah, but yeah, I'd say about an hour and a half, maybe a bit more out of Bangkok, southwest of Bangkok, right? And you want to see their infrastructure, the roads here. My God! Oh, and all around Bangkok is amazing, right? But they're building this new road on your way out of Bangkok towards Hua Hin, right? And they're building, like, you know, a road up on what I call is concrete pillars or stilts, right? And it just went on for miles and miles and miles. It must be costing them billions, right? And what I found fascinating was, as before you're driving along, you're seeing all the different stages of the construction of it. You know what I mean? So you can see the steel shutters, the way they shutter up the pillars. You can see the rebar, the steel rebar, you know, twirling around, because the pillars kind of, you know, they go out, one goes at an angle to the right and one to the left, right? And then the big concrete pillar across the top of them, the whole, obviously a motorway or something. But I found it fascinating, you know, like, we wouldn't have before that in Ireland. You're mad. This is going on now. I'd say this new road would be as long as if you were driving from the town of Drogheda to Swords in County Dublin. That's how long. Imagine how much that would cost back in Ireland. And they're building that over here in outside Bangkok. Amazing, my friends, amazing. I'm telling you, the Asian economy, watch out for the Asian economy, it's rising. I'm telling you, all these countries out here, you know, I'm blown away by the by the modernisation of these countries and their infrastructure. It's unreal. Right. I'm waiting for mine here now. Still. Hope she gets it soon because 15 minutes is all I have. Right people, so I'm out to get the latte. Let's just see what this is like over here in Thailand. Yeah, it's okay. Not really hot. Usual Burger King fries. These are like little round hash browns. Look. Right people, stay tuned and I'll show you the hotel in Hua Hin, right? Hello people. This flipping holidays are getting better and better. Have a look at this hotel I'm staying in. I know I didn't win the lottery, but look at this. Look at the bathroom. Look. Hello peoples. Look at this. We can hear John Lennon there playing in the background. Now look, this is the... Get on to him over that now. Big stiff there. This is the shower, right? Now, I've got a safe in here. Look at the room. Look at this. This is all for me, my friends. And there's a balcony out here looking down onto the swimming pool. You can see the bath through the bedroom. If you had somebody here with you, you know what I mean? Kinky partner or something. Oh, this is just unreal, my friends, unreal. Don't worry, I'll explain now. I don't know how much this hotel costs. As I said, this was all done in a package deal, right? 12-day package deal, right? So look up this hotel if you want on booking.com. Ace Hotel Hua Hin, Huahin. Look up the Ace Hotel Hua Hin to find out how much this hotel would cost you per night, okay? Right, hold on, I'm going to look for the remote control for this television. Oh, this is just going to be great. I mean, I have 7 days here. I don't know if it's 17 full days, maybe not 7 full days. I'll see. Anyway, this is unbelievable. So that was a 3-hour taxi journey there, right? Now, all of the transfers from the airports to the hotels and back again was all paid for in this holiday that I booked, right? And included the taxi fare. It was a 3-hour taxi journey from Bangkok airport right down here to Hua Hin. Well, I'm pronouncing it Hua Hin, but anyway. Right, so that's all paid for in the holiday, right? But like, he seemed to be kind of a young Chinese type of Thai person, taxi guy, right? I said hello, he said hello. For the whole 3 hours down, there was no conversation, right? He was just driving, concentrating on his driving, which was fine. And then an hour and a half down, then he pulled into this place, you know, like a petrol station, eatery place, and I gave me 15 minutes, so that was grand, right? So he drove 3 hours down, and he's driving 3 hours back to Bangkok. Now, he's been paid for that, right? But here's the thing, is going to think I'm mad now, and this is softy, right? But I was thinking that, geez, he's have to drive in 3 hours now, 3 hours all the way down here. So I used to drive 3 hours all the way back to Bangkok, right? And he has been paid for by the company, right, wherever it is, right? He's been paid for, right? But I'm after giving him a tip of 2,000 baht, right? Now that would work out at about maybe 54 euros, right? But he might think I'm mad in doing that, but like, you know, he's after driving 3 hours all the way down. Okay, he got paid whatever the rate is over here in Thai. Don't worry, they made money off him and off me, you know what I mean, the company, the travel company, right? So that's what I done. I gave him 2,000 baht, which is equivalent to about 54 maybe euros. But in Ireland, if I was to drive from Dublin Airport to where I live, which is 23 miles northeast of Dublin Airport, it would take about half an hour. They would charge me €50. You know what I mean? Like, so anyway, that's what I done. And yeah, and just another thing, the road system in Bangkok is excellent. The roads all the way down here were excellent, right? You were on motorways, and then you were on, it seemed like to me, 3-lane dual carriageways, right? They're like 3-lane dual carriageways. And the crazy thing about it is, right beside the 3-lane dual carriageway is a local road. Now it's really, really close beside the 3 lanes of the dual carriageway, right? And there's obviously local people can use that road all the way down to our little villages and towns and stuff, right? But all along it, there's gaps. So they can come. I've seen it here coming down. I was dumbfounded, right? They're coming onto this dual carriageway or motorway, because it's motorway speeds, right? They can come onto it on their mopeds with no helmets on them. Just come onto the motorway and go down the motorway with no helmets on them at all, right? I've seen about 3 or 4 different scooters with 3 people on each scooter with no helmets on this dual carriageway that back in Ireland would be called a motorway, right? I've seen look, to me it's probably a family. They've loads of these motorbikes over here. They look like they have a sidecar on them, like so. They have a canvas cover on top of it, right? And I've seen them like bringing gas bottles in the sidecar and shopping and stuff, right? And there was a guy driving that kind of a motorbike with his partner or his wife and our little son in the sidecar with no helmets going down this dual carriageway or motorway. So it was entertaining, I have to say, entertaining. Right, people, enough of this talking shit talk, okay? Yeah, yes, I said it, you probably think I'm loaded, but I'm not. Will you wait till the end of these videos from Thailand and I'll tell you exactly how much this holiday has cost me, and you're going to be very, very surprised by it, right? Because I'm not loaded. This holiday is a credit union loan that I took out, okay? So, yeah. So stay tuned, people, for next Sunday, and we'll for the start of my adventures in Hua Hin, okay? So please press the notification bell to know when the video is uploaded. They're normally up on a Sunday about 5 p.m. or after 5 p.m. Press the like, please, if you will. And if you haven't subscribed before, please subscribe. Or if you're new to the channel, just please press subscribe. It helps. Thanks a million. And it's free. Okay? So, stay tuned, my friends. More to come from Hua Hin. Okay? Take care. Bye.